I'm here with Sam at Perfect Shades Cosmetics today, trying to get my skin tone even and try and give you honest feedback on their products.
I'm here today as a model for Perfect Shades Cosmetics. I've actually heard about them from Facebook, and I've always looked for a makeup that will not that I won't feel heavy on, and it will give me a natural look. So I decided to be their model for today.
I'm 41 years old and I have very severe dark under eye circles. I've also got quite a bit of pigmentation, and I saw Perfect Shade Cosmetics on Facebook and I saw that they were looking for a model, and I contacted Shiloh and she was happy to do a makeover and hoping to see what the end result is and if the makeover actually helps with the coverage that I need.
I just saw this on social media, so I just came and check on how the makeup can fit me.
I'm here to do a makeover, and obviously, as you can see, I've got terrible skin, so I'm here to find something that's going to have the perfect coverage, and I'm hoping to get the results that I've been seeing about the products, so I'm quite eager to do this.
And I'm here to try Perfect Shades. It's my first time trying this product. As you can see, I've got nothing on, just a little bit of lipstick. And I've seen the reviews and I'm looking forward to trying on whatever shade suits me and see how this product does for me.
What I'm looking to achieve is I'm looking for products that don't oxidize on my face, because that's what I've got a lot of, and obviously I've got a lot of redness and dryness under my eyes, so I'm looking for something that's actually going to work with my skin.
I heard about this on social media and through a best friend of mine, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback about everything that I think, how it feels, how I look, how the flashbacks and everything. Yeah.
This feels so lightweight. It feels like I don't have anything on my face. I absolutely love it.
Oh my god, guys, can you see what I see? Oh, I feel like I'm a millionaire.
It looks so natural, it feels natural. Unbelievably how quickly it went, and I honestly thought there was going to be a lot of foundation being used, a lot of concealer being used, but as you ladies saw, it just dab, 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 and it's really given me 150% coverage. I would highly recommend it to anyone, and Shiloh, thank you for the beautiful transformation.
It's not even heavy, I look amazing. I love the makeup. Now I can buy the makeup now.
I am in absolute awe and shock and excitement. I am loving my look. I am definitely going to be going forward with the products.
I love it. The foundation's beautiful. It matches my complexion, and the lipstick and the makeup. I'm definitely going to be buying this product. And yeah, I think it's lovely, absolutely lovely.
This looks beautiful, and it's soft, and it doesn't feel like I've got a lot of makeup on, but it looks stunning. My eyes. Okay guys, you really need to get down to Perfect Shades Cosmetic. These people are incredible. The product feels amazing. Get yourself some of this.
I love the way they feel, the way they smell, and the way the finishing of it. I look super smooth. Yeah, overall I love it, love it, love it. Obviously gonna buy it, and it's my perfect foundation color, and I always have a problem finding out my shade, and yeah, she got it perfectly.